Hello everyone, today I have some more cleaning motivation for you guys. I figured with it being spring and everyone doing their spring cleaning, you would like some cleaning motivation. I haven't started my spring cleaning yet, but when I do start it, I will film it. I want to do that soon. I want to wash all of my windows, and that's going to be a really big job, so I think that I keep putting it off. But for today's cleaning, I started off in the kitchen, just cleaning off the counters and the table, and then I wiped everything off and washed the dishes. I'm using Miss Meyer's dish soap in the mint scent. This is one of their limited edition spring scents on the Grove website. I just ordered a new set in the mint because it is my favorite right now. And you can get $10 off your first order from Grove with my link down below. This drawer had gotten kind of messy, so I had to get that cleaned out. Once the kitchen was cleaned up, I folded the clothes that were in the dryer, and then I started a load of clothes in the washer. I am going to be using Miss Meyer's fabric softener and Method laundry detergent. Then I swept the kitchen floor and the laundry room floor. Once the clothes were done in the washer, I put them into the dryer. I hope that you enjoyed this cleaning video today, and I hope that it gave you some cleaning motivation. I think I will continue with uploading every Saturday morning like I've been doing. This schedule has worked really well for me right now. I just don't have the time to upload 2 videos a week, so I'm just going to stick with uploading every Saturday morning. So be sure that you are subscribed so that you know when I upload a new video, and be sure that you click the bell beside the subscribe button so that you can get notified every time I upload a video. You won't get notified unless you click that bell, so make sure that you do that. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.